I need an image of a cartoon mouth shape, so I'm going to Google. But you could use your own jar or use a website like FreePic to find one. Then I'm going to add the image to Moho and turn the opacity down. On a new layer, I'm going to take the shape tool and add a starting point. Then I could use the add points tool to add points and turn the shape into the mouth. Use the T key to switch to the translate tool so that you could grab and move points. Press A to switch back to the add points tool. To change the curve, you can press the C to get the curve tool. If you want to affect only one anchor handle, hold down the Alt key while clicking. You can also use the freehand tool to draw out shapes, but I think the freehand tool is complex and it needs a video of its own. When you have created the first shape, you can use the select option to copy and paste the shapes. Move them over to repeat the same thing we did as the first mouth shape. Continue drawing until you have done them all, or at least just the ones you need. I won't be drawing them all since I don't need all shapes to draw a simple character or do simple mouth movements. Well, once you're done, you want to create a new group layer. Then we're going to create a new vector layer. Copy one of the shapes and paste it to this new layer. We're going to do that for each shape. We have 6 here, so we're going to need 6 layers. Make sure you copy and paste each shape on a separate layer. Also, it's important that you put each shape in the same spot. You can see I'm kind of lining mine up at the crosshair in the middle. When you're done, you want to right click the group layer and convert it to a switch layer. Now we've selected a layer is going to show. And if I drag up and down the timeline, I'm adding a step or keyframe. If you wanted to, you can right click the last step, click cycle, and now we have a loop. We have an animated mouth. He needs a face, so let's draw one. I'm going to add everything in a group layer. Then I'm going to add that group into a bone layer. Animating bones is really easy, and we'll get into that real soon.